Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Tonight I'm going to make Hawaiian dish. My Hawaiian shrimp with snowpeas. So this is all the ingredients. I have like a pound of shrimp and also 8 ounces of snowpeas. And I have peppercorn powder, garlic powder, parsley, lemon, honey, and soy sauce, paprika, and unsalted butter, and chicken powder for more taste. So this is the easy way to cook the shrimp and very fast. Alright, let's get started. So what we're going to do, we are going to put all the spice on the shrimp. The honey is stick in there. So I'm going to use one shrimp to scrape it. You can, if you don't have honey, you can use sugar. Very sticky. I don't know why I didn't remove the seed. I'm kind of a idiotic today. Alright, so we are going to mix it. Oops, I forgot. Ah! Again. It's happened to me many times. So now let's add some peppercorn. And a little salt because I only put half teaspoon of soy sauce. So let's mix them. Okay, let's go ahead and put the butter. Just a little butter, not that much. And we're going to saute the shrimp. This is not even 10 minutes to cook. And now let's drop the shrimp. Just put your heat, a high heat. Very simple and very quick. You can add more black pepper or peppercorn, whatever. Just saute until the shrimp completely cooked. we're almost there. So it's just like 4 to 5 minutes, and this is ready. We'll put this on the side and we'll cook the snowpeas. Alright. Okay, let's add again a little butter on the other pan. And let's add the snowpeas. And let's add the garlic powder. And black pepper. You can add a little salt. And I will add a half teaspoon of cooking powder. We just cook this for 3 to 4 minutes and that's it. You can put a little water, that way it will not get burned up like this one. Is stick there and get ready. Just to avoid not to get stick in the bottom. As for your heat to medium high. This should be enough. I don't want overcooked. It's good. Okay. That's ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my Hawaiian shrimp with snowpeas. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. Okie dokie. See ya.